Greetings and salutations, welcome back to One Lesson 3 Math. This tutorial is about simple and compound interest, and the learning objective is to be able to solve problems involving interest and repeated percentage change. So we have an exam style question here. Sue Perb is a great investor. She finds a wonderful account that pays 12% simple interest for 2 years and then 9% compound interest per annum from then onwards. Sue invests $3,000. Part A, everyone likes a good part A. How much money does she have after 5 years? And part B, how many years will it be before Sue Perb has more than $9,000? So if you'd like to have a go at these questions, please pause the video now before I proceed with the explanations and solutions. So part A. We need to find out how much money Sue Perb has after 5 years. So the first 2 years are going to be simple interest. So there's 2 years of 12% simple interest, and to calculate that, we just multiply the number of years by the percentage interest. That's 24%. We're going to add that onto 100% because the initial amount is your 100%. So at the end of those 2 years, she's going to have 124%. Now to calculate this, we need a multiplier. 124%, we're going to put that as a decimal, so that's 1.24. So the first part of this calculation is going to be the $3,000 multiplied by 1.24 to add on 24% simple interest. So then we're going to deal with the compound interest. Now she's got 3 years of 9% compound interest because 2 years of the 5 years were simple interest. That leaves 3 remaining years of compound interest. Now for compound, I say compower because we're going to put the multiplier to a power. You'll see what I mean in a moment. So 9%, we're going to add that onto 100%, and that's 109%, and therefore our multiplier is 1.09. Now because it's 3 years, it's to the power of 3. That's the difference between simple interest, where you just multiply the years times the percent, to compound interest, where you do the multiplier to the power of years or repeated percentage changes, however many times you would be doing it. So the next part of this calculation is going to be times 1.09 to the power of 3, and that's going to add on the 3 years of 9% compound interest. So we put that into our calculator. We get $4,817.50788. Now because it's money, we always go to 2 decimal places. We look at the third decimal place, it's a 7, and therefore the 0 is going to round up to 1. So our solution for part A is $4,817.51. 0.51, 2 decimal places. So part B, how many years will it be before Sue Perb has more than $9,000? Now this is very much a trial and improvement question, and we can set up our calculation. Now I'm going to say if 5 years was 4,817, I'm going to say, right, let's go for 10 years and see how much money Sue Perb will have after 10 years. So that's going to be 2 years of simple interest and then 8 years of compound interest, because obviously 10 years will be the first 2 years where you're getting the simple interest, and then 8 years of 1.09 compound interest. So we're doing that to the power of 8. So we do that calculation, and our solution to 2 decimal places is $7,412.33. That's not greater than 9,000. So now I'm going to try 12 years. I'll do the same calculation. The first 2 years are simple interest, and then I'm going to have 1.09 to the power of 10 for the next 10 years to make that 12 years, and that gives me a solution of 8,806.59. It's still not more than 9,000. However, it's close. So now I'm going to try 13 years. 3,000 multiplied by 1.24 for the 2 years of simple interest, and I'm going to multiply by 1.09 to the power of 11 for 11 years of compound interest, and that gives me $9,599.19. That is greater than 9,000. So basically, the answer to this question is 13 years, because it's been 13 whole years before Superb has more than $9,000. So you'll get working out marks for the trial of 10 years, maybe even for 12 years, and then actually getting the right answer will get you the full marks in an exam situation. So just remember, from this tutorial, simple interest is just the years times by the percentage, whereas the compound interest is always your multiplier to the power of years. So I hope that's been helpful. Hasta la pizza, arrivederci, so long, goodbye, au revoir, ciao for now, see you next time. Oh, and please subscribe if you haven't already.